The product that we chose to cover is the shrouded attributes that are associated with Apple products. In particular, we decided to focus on Apple's MacBook Air as our primary example for showing these shrouded attributes. Apple fails to reveal the hidden cost to consumers before they purchase products. Therefore, consumers are forced to purchase additional accessories and adapters in order to perform everyday desired tasks. The sticker price provided by Apple does not accurately represent the total cost of the computer due to the necessary add-ons. The overarching market failure is information asymmetry shown by the vast amount of information that Apple holds and fails to reveal to the consumer. More specifically, Apple targets a more vulnerable population that desires simplicity and lacks knowledge of computer technology. This increases the marginal cost of search for consumers due to their lack of understanding of computer specifications and technological accessories. Consumers are unaware that certain computers lack different hardware and fail to include the cost of needed accessories in the bottom line. These additional accessories are defined as shrouded attributes. For example, the MacBook Air does not include an HDMI port. In order to use the HDMI capabilities with this computer, one is required to purchase an additional adapter, a near $35 upcharge. Along with that, if one wants to use a CD drive, an additional $80 external CD drive called a super drive is required. On the Apple website, a graphic is provided comparing and contrasting the specs of the MacBook Air versus the MacBook Pro, the superior model. The only mention of the lack of accessories that we found was a fine print statement at the very bottom of the page. When we calculated the overall price with just a few possible add-ons, we found that the cost of the MacBook Air would quickly surpass the $200 difference in price of the superior MacBook Pro. This value could increase even further with more product add-ons. This can be applied to all Apple computer models and many other Apple products.
So, how can we make consumers more aware without hurting company sales and reputation? Our recommendation for Apple is to offer a survey of intentions before the purchase of every product. With this information, Apple can provide the customer with the knowledge of the various accessories needed. This will impose contributory negligence onto the customer, making Apple not strictly liable for the lack of information and potential shrouded attributes. Additionally, Apple will overcome information asymmetry, as shown in the figure, by lowering the marginal cost of search, allowing consumers to be able to calculate the entire cost for a fully compatible and functional product.